Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody, today we're going to be drawing Z from alphabet lore. I hope you'll follow along with us. You'll need a black marker and something to color with. Let's get started. Okay, first we're going to start with our black marker. And we're going to start with the top of Z. We're going to come down like this. Curve, come in and stop right there. Right here we're going to put the first eye. So it comes around like this. We have an eyelid kind of coming off to the side, and then an eyelid down here below. Then we have a pupil inside that will fill in. Perfect. Now we'll continue with the body. Comes around and up, over, across. We stop here, and it comes up, and then over, all the way over. We're gonna stop right here, and we're gonna draw the second eye. So it comes around, stops right there, do an eyelid, another eyelid, and then we'll fill in the pupil. Perfect. Now let's keep going with the body. We'll come out, curve in, around, and close that off. Now let's move on the inside and do this mouth. This sideways mouth here, curves around and back up. Perfect. Then this really cool shape inside for the teeth, and we'll stop right there. There, and we have the outline for Z. Now before we're done, we're gonna fill in with color. So I'm gonna take this teal color and fill in the eyelids. So one. There's the second eye. And now with my blue, I'll do a shadow. And then another one on this side. And then a small shadow coming here. Okay, just gonna do a few pink lines for texture. And there we have Z.
Yay!
It turned out so great. I hope you'll come back really soon so we can draw more characters together. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box. Videos.